Hi, I'm Scott McKenzie, CEO of PMG.
And I'm Matt McCarty, Head of Investor Relationships at PMG. 2020 proved to be a turbulent year that saw investor confidence wane due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
However, at PMG we saw an incredible amount of interest from New Zealanders who wanted to invest in our unlisted commercial property funds for strong returns.
As an asset class, we've seen unprecedented investor inquiry into commercial property funds. The latest confidence survey from the Financial Markets Authority reported that those invested in professionally managed funds rated their confidence in the sector at a staggering 81%.
As an experienced and professional property funds manager, we've consistently performed for over 29 years throughout multiple economic cycles. As part of our strategy to continue to grow income resilience with scale, PMG is offering New Zealanders the chance to invest in one of New Zealand's strongest performing and largest directly held unlisted commercial property funds, Pacific Property Fund Limited. Since 2014, Pacific Property Fund's strategy has been to continue to grow the scale of the portfolio with high calibre properties. This strategy achieves greater income resilience through diversification across multiple metropolitan centres, sectors and tenants. Upon completion of this latest offer, Pacific Property Fund will acquire the following 6 high calibre commercial properties. A newly constructed industrial property located in the sought after Northgate Business Park in Hamilton. A newly constructed industrial property in Silverstream, Wellington, leased to electricity distribution company North Power on a new 10-year lease term. A newly constructed industrial property in Sockburn, Christchurch, leased to the independent, 100% locally owned and operated glass supplier State Glass on a new 10-year lease term. A recently constructed 4-level office property in Christchurch, leased to Nexia, New Zealand Merino, Alliance Group and Pacific Radiology. This property also represents the opportunity to add further value with additional land development potential. A recently constructed 4-level office property at Gloucester Street, Christchurch, leased to prominent legal firm Anderson Lloyd, global freight organisation Mediterranean Shipping Company, and engineers Lewis Bradford. And a medium-scale warehouse at Langley Road, Wiri, in Auckland's high-demand industrial suburb. Each property has been carefully selected by our experienced team to meet our strict investment criteria. They are underpinned by strong tenants that strengthen the income security to the fund and its investors.
Assuming the successful offer and the acquisition of these 6 high calibre properties, the fund's total portfolio value is expected to increase to $393 million with 62 unique tenants and a weighted average lease term of 5.7 years. The fund is forecasting a gross cash return of 7.35 cents per share for the 2022 and 2023 financial years, which equates to a strong cash yield of 6.02%. Now is the time to invest in the security of bricks and mortar, real, tangible assets, and with a funds manager that has a proven track record.
As one of the largest unlisted commercial property funds in New Zealand, comprising of 20 properties weighted to the strong performing industrial sector, Pacific Property Fund offers a highly diversified portfolio by location, sector and tenant industry, an excellent occupancy of 96%, a conservative loan to value ratio of 39%, regular cash returns delivered quarterly, the opportunity for steady growth and value over time. And the fund is professionally managed by PMG, a licensed property funds manager with a proven track record of delivering for investors. Property investment is one of the best investments available today. Investors continue to be faced with historically low returns from fixed interest investments such as cash and bonds, and this leaves us all in a difficult position.
Our options are quite simple. Do we substantially adjust our lifestyle to align with our new income levels? Or do we seek defensive alternatives that can provide not only more income, but the enjoyment of a lifestyle that comes with that? You've worked hard for your money, and now's the time to let your money work harder for you.
Since 2014, Pacific Property Fund Limited has had a strong track record of providing cash returns at or above 6% per annum and total returns at or above 8% per annum. For these reasons, the upcoming investment offer is already attracting strong investor response.
If you would like to learn more about this offer, register your interest, or to receive a copy of the product disclosure statement when it is available, please visit our website or contact your local investor relationships manager.